So let's break down today's trades which we took on our channels. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin. You can set your time at 5 minutes, the flag timer. Check out our accuracy for today. So our first signal was for odd cat. For the downside, the session started right here. In this, our money was refunded because the trade ended on our entry point. In this, the market was in a clear uptrend and there was a resistance zone marked. When the seller stepped in strongly, we noticed a rejection and we took a downside trade here, but it was refunded for us. The next signal was for Euro USD 5 minutes down. Here you can just check out, same thing. There was a clear resistance level. In this, the price touched the resistance level and got multiple rejections. So this was our confirmation to take this as a sell trade right there at the entry point and at the resistance zone. And this was a very good win for us. The next signal was for CAD CHF for the call side. Here you can just check out, this was also a very good one. In this, there was a clear continuation pattern which formed with a pullback. This structure showed that continuation strength is more, and we can just buy this as a call trade and it will be an amazing win. And this was a very amazing win. You can just check out. The next trade was for Euro CHF put. Here the price moved to a resistance zone. The area was held again, so we took another put side trade here. For the downside, you can just check out, this was a very good win. The next trade was for odd USD 5 minutes up, 5 minutes put. Here you can just check out. In this, the price was in a clear, the price had a clear resistance zone. There was many rejections from that zone and the price failed to break that resistance and was pushed down by the sellers, and we took this trade for the downside and we won it. Amazing win right there. Next trade was for Euro odd for the call side. This was a very also amazing win. In this, the price was in a strong uptrend and the price pulled back and gave continuation signs supporting another call entry level. We took this trade for the call side and we won it. These were our trades, 5 non-martingale wins for today. All trades were based on structures, zones and pattern continuation. That's why we use this for every trade. Stay consistent, trade with logic and trust your setups. So that's all for our video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.